Good morning students. God bless you. Welcome to Maths class 8th standard. Last class we have discussed the multiplication of algebraic expression. In this section we are going to see about division of algebraic expression. Exercise 3.2. First question, fill in the blanks. First division. So LHS and RHS are given. Want to find the dash value. Okay. So here n power 5 given, left hand side value also given. Okay. So compare the variable. This is m power 4, this is m power 3. So making the transformation we get m power 4 minus 3. This 3 making the transformation we get negative exponents. This is equal to m. So m is there. Okay. So m over. Then n. Here so that does not be given the n value, but here want to n power 5 is your answer. Okay. Here not be given n value not be given, but the answer is n power 5, but the denominator is n power 3. Okay. So here n power 8 suppose given means, so n power 8 or minus 3 which is equal to 8 minus 3 is n power 5. So must be want to n power 8. Okay. This is n power 8. Next consider the constant, the coefficient of the term 18 by 2. So 18 divided by 2 which is equal to 1 2s are 2. So 9 2s are 18. So 9 is your answer. The coefficient of this term is 9. Have you understood the answer? So 8 power n power 8 and 9 is the missing term. Next, the second question, L power 4, m power 5, n power dash, and 2 whole divided by 2l m power dash n power 6. The RHS is also given. Okay, so one by one we consider. First L value. So L power 4 divided by here L. So making the transformation, this is L power 1. We get L power 4 minus 1 equal to L power 3. So L power 3 is there. Okay. Then m power 5 divided by m power not be given. This is some x value. Okay. But here given m power 2 equal to m power 2, equating the like terms. So m power 5 minus x, making the transformation, we get m power 2. So 5 minus which value we get 2. The 5 minus 3 we get m power 2. Is it or not? So the missing term is 3. So the m power 3 is not be given. So 3 is your answer. Then here n power value is not be given. So n power x divided by n power 6, which is equal to the RHS is n. Okay. So n power x minus 6, making the transformation, we get this like. So which number is subtracting minus 6, we get n power 1. So n power 7 means 7 minus 6 equal to n power 1. Is it done? So x is 7. So here x is 7. So 2 filled up are filled. Okay. L, M, N is over. So remaining is the 2 only missing the right hand side. So 2. That's our answer. Okay. Then the third question. So number is 42 divided by 6. 42 divided by 6. 1 6 are 6, 7 6 are 42. The numerical coefficient is 7. Okay. Then consider the a value. A and a power 4. A power 4 divided by a power 4, which is equal to a power 4 minus 4. The 4 transform negative exponent is equal to a power 0. So a power 0 is equal to 1. Any number power 0 equal to 1. So here a is not appear. Okay. That's all. Then b power 5 divided by b power 2 is equal to b power 5 minus 2. equal to b power 3. So here b only given, the power 3 is want to write. Okay, that's all. Then here denominator does not be given c value. So numerator is directly taken the right hand value. So c square. This is your answer of first 3 questions. I understood the build-up? Okay. Okay, dear student, next second question. Say true or false. The solution, first division, 8x cube y is divided by 4x square equal to 2xy. Okay. So 8x cube y divided by 4x square equal to 2xy or not. So I want to verify. Okay. Which is equal to 4. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2. Okay. Then x square, x cube cancel, remaining 1x. Then y. So 2xy is the right hand answer. Okay, yes. This is true. This is true. Okay. Then the second question solution, 7ab cube is divided by 14ab equal to 2b square. Check your answer. So 7ab cube divided by 14ab. Okay. 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14. Then a are cancelled. Then 1b are cancelled. Remaining numerator b square, 2b's are left. Then divided by the denominator 2. So b square divided by 2. But here given 2b square. It is false. Okay. That's all the reason. Okay, dear student, next third question, divide each of the question. Solution, first one, 27y power 3 is divided by 3y, which is equal to 27y cube divided by 3y, which is equal to 1 3s are 3. This is 9 3s are 27. The numerical function is 9. Then y, 1y and 1y are cancelled. Remaining y square is left out. That's all the answer. Have you understood? Then the second question, x cube y square is divided by x square y, which can be write in the form of x cube y square divided by x square y, which is equal to x square x cube are cancelled, remaining 1x. Then y and y square 1y cancel, so remaining y. So xy is your answer of second question. Okay. That's all. Then the third question, 45 x cube y square z power 4 is divided by minus 15 xy z, which is equal to 45 x cube y square z power 4 whole divided by minus 15 xy z. 1 15s are 15, 3 15s are 45. Is it or not? Okay. The minus 3 is the coefficient of the term. So x and x are cancelled. So 1x only cancelled, remaining x square. The same manner, y and y square 1y cancel, remaining y. Then z are cancelled, remaining z cube. That's all your answer. Then the fourth question, 3xy the whole square is divided by 9xy. The square is common for the 3 times, so 3 square is 9, then x square, then y square, whole divided by 9xy, which is equal to 9 are cancelled, then x 1x cancelled, remaining 1x, the numerator, the 1y 1y are cancelled, remaining 1y for the numerator. We get xy is the answer of fourth question. Have you understood clearly the division? Okay, dear student, next the fourth question simplified. The first one, 3m square divided by m plus 2m power 4 divided by m cube. The solution: 3m square divided by m plus 2m power 4 divided by m cube equal to. So m are cancelled. So remaining 3m, 1m only cancelled. The same manner 3m are cancelled, remaining 1m plus 2m. 3m plus 2m is equal to 5m. Have you understood the addition of the two terms? This is the first question. Next, the second one: 14p power 5 q power 3 divided by 2p square cube minus 12p cube q power 4 divided by 3q square. Okay. The same manner of the previous question. Okay, 1 2s are 2, 7 2s are 14. So the numerical term is 7. Then p square are cancelled, remaining p power 3. Then 1q are cancelled, remaining q square. Okay, minus 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. So coefficient is 4. Then p cube, as the denominator does not appear any p, then q power 2 is cancelled, power 2, the remaining q square. Power 4 minus 2 is 2 is equal to. The two terms are like term, p cube q square, p cube to q square. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, p cube q square. That's how the answer of fourth question. Have you understood the answer? Okay, dear students, today's homework, page number 83. Try this. So bottom of the page given the try this, do the all the sums. Okay, carefully using the exponential rule, you find out the answer of all the questions. Do it well. Thank you. God bless you.